I know this is, this is 012 aka Kalikate. The dog is in the house. Am I live?
Yeah, you're live.
I know this is, this is 012 aka Kalikatel. The dog is in the house. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Aka Kalikatel. The dog is in the house. How's everybody doing, guys? It's been a minute since I've been with you guys. Damn. I think low-key, I'm kind of like getting attached to the streaming thing to a point that if I don't speak to you guys for more than 2 days, I don't feel like myself no more. To be honest, I'm starting to feel like that. I don't feel like myself no more. But that's a story for another day. What are the charts saying today? Yo, even this thing is fast, bro. Oof. What is it? No, that's that, bro. Yeah. So guys, moreover everything, niyangazi mina guys ngiyatrade nje enhlobo. I just actually now took the sells on gold not so long ago actually. Oh, this is not my fib. This is definitely not my fib. Has to be Mas's fib, ne? ND fib. Yes, this is my fib now. Yeah, so guys, this is the reason why I took it. It never actually took out that high and it came back, failed again, failed here. So it's just playing around here. So I just actually took the gold sales. Too much news later today. I didn't even see the news. Let me check. I didn't even look at the news, guys. That's a bad idea. Yo. My FX book.
You can check that, just type that.
My FX book. Ayo, chat. Where do I get the calendar? Move. Filter. Yeah. There's a lot of news today, bro.
CPI today.
There's inflation rate, there's core inflation rate, there's the CPI. It is a lot, and the market might move crazy here. Whoa, guys. Yo, chat. Be careful, man. Be careful, chat. To be honest, look, there's a lot of news. They're happening at 3:30. All of them at once. jobless claims, inflation rate, core inflation rate, CPI. Yo, no, man. That's too much news, bro. So let's actually check. Let me actually check on. What is this? What is? I said inflammation rate. I didn't hear myself. Imagine. What was I checking? The dollar index. Actually, that's one thing I want to check. Inflammation rate. You guys don't know inflammation rate. That's Goat Andy's news, bro. Oh. I'm still glad that actually we're still waiting on this. So let me see here. This price chart is still not fair. It's not clear. This price chart is not clear actually. But now, there's one thing that stresses me out. You know, if you have this, low-key, this is building up something, guys. Low-key, this is building up something. I don't want to lie to you. So this might be lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We might experience another lower low before another lower high. That's the only thing that stresses me with this. And for me, a fair trade will only come if the market pulls here and goes down. The market will I'll only believe in this entry if the market pulls down. For now, I don't, to be honest. Oh, I can't hear you. Your phone. Sorry, bro. Yeah, so for now, this is what's possible though. You know, we've been moving in a very nice range because here you see this is another wipeout, and then this right here, that's a boss. This right here, it's a boss. So yeah, how long does it take me to pass phase 1 and phase 2? It takes me less actually. It literally takes me less than I thought. I take 1 week to complete both phase 1 and phase 2. As we speak right now, I bought 2 1 million rand challenges, and I've already passed them. I'm on phase 2 on both of them right now. I'm trying to pass phase 2 now. I'm trying to pass phase 2 now on both accounts. I'm trying to pass phase 2 on both accounts. This is that gold sale we just took now. And also I've taken it also on my personal account actually. It's taking time to load. I deposited 10,000 rand, and I'm planning to make approximately 100k today. I've deposited 10K. I'm planning a day before yesterday, guys. Actually, I cracked the whole crazy thing, bro. Like what I did a day before yesterday, I flipped 10K into 200,000. Let me show you, chat. Let me show you, chat. I'm not tripping, bro. Let me show you, chat. Look, I want to show you guys when it started. Do I have it when it started? Okay, so Monday at 8, as you can see, I want to show you also the time. Check here. Monday this week, I deposited 10,000 rand and I withdrew 90,000 and left 12,000. Can you see that, chat? If you can see that, type W. If you can see that, type W. I deposited 10,000 rand and withdrew 90,000, left 12K. So I made 100K, but I withdrew 90K. All right. And then from there, that 12K, I traded it and I closed the other trades with like an extra 5,000. As you can see, now the equity was now 17,000. The equity now was now 17,000. The equity was now 17,000. And then just look at that 17,000 on the next screenshot. The 17,000, you see, this was Tuesday now. Look, this was my personal account. This was Tuesday around what time? 1. Around 1. See that? This was Tuesday around 1. The 17,000 was now on 76,000 profit. Was now on 76,000 profit. And then it kept on moving. Look, this was when I was doing like a recording. Look, personal account, the profits were still floating there. Look. Oh, it's not visible. All right, chat. Okay, I'll make a plan, chat. We will get the overhead camera. Don't worry, chat. We'll get the overhead camera. On my personal account right now, I'm just placing stop loss below entry. I'm not closing the trades. I'm just putting stop loss below entry. I want to let the trades run free without me having to, think about them and stuff. That's what personally I like doing. Bro, I turned. Let me show you guys. You guys think I'm tripping. You remember it was 17K, right? As it was 17K, wait. The 17K, I flopped and I closed 32,000 on top of that one. I closed 32, but now from 32, it was already running 100. Let me show you the crazy part, bro. By the time it was 4:30, the 32,000 was running on 242,000. Look. Forex is nice, guys. You make money that's crazy. Look, the deposit was 10K. I left 12. The 12 turned to 17. 17 turned into 32. 32 turned into 242. See. That was it. And that was a crazy flip. I don't want to lie. That was a crazy flip. That was one hella crazy flip. I'm just protecting you guys. I'm sorry. Just give me a second. I'm just protecting here. I love letting my trades run free. Yeah, now they are running free. Yeah, now they are running free. And impulsively I just, how much are you floating now? I'm floating 5,000 rand on top of my 10k deposit. Let me show you. So today we deposited 10k. There it is. Today we deposited 10k, and then currently I'm floating this 5,500. Yeah, currently I'm floating this. So yeah, it's a matter of patience, guys. I don't really like looking at the market. I entered this trade. Let me see where. Ooh, it was smooth actually. I started with it here. I entered the trade here. I'm targeting there. If it could give me a very nice smooth drop, that would be. Andy, please look at GJ. Look at GJ. Oh wait, bro. GJ, GBP, JPY. I haven't traded currencies in a while actually. Currencies sometimes can be a flop. Guys, if you chat, remember sorry guys. Remember on the previous stream, I said we have two parts whereby the market can choose to retrace. It's either it retraces here or it retraces here. Look where it is now. I never really paid attention to this trade, to be honest. It literally bounced right here. We drew, if you're on the stream, we drew this fib from here to there, and also from here to there. And we said there's two potentials. It can either respect this one or respect that one. And it chose to respect this one. Look what happened. As soon as it got here, it shot straight up. It's just that fella next trader. I'm no longer trading like not that I'm lying. I am, but I choose not to. Doesn't make sense. I choose not to. I just love gold, to be honest. I really just love gold. Euro USD, let's see. What were we expecting on Euro USD? It looks like what we're expecting on Euro USD, it's only cooking now. Remember we said we want it to drop. It may drop today till there before it starts going up. It looks like what we were looking for on Euro USD. It only will happen this week. And we've been looking for it since last week. If you remember, chat, we've been looking for it since last week. Let's check on a funded account. How far are we? On a funded account, I'm running 10,000. Remember, even the leverage, guys, is not the same. The leverage on the funded account is lesser than the leverage on a personal account. On a funded account is 1:100. On a personal account is 1:500. So on funded, I'm running 9,000 rand basically now. On personal, I'm running about 6 close now. Yeah, it's 6,200. See, I'm running 6,200. Start USD on a daily time frame and drop down. It's gonna sell. Yeah, I just said it's gonna sell. I don't need to even drop it from top down. No, Euro USD is gonna sell, bro. Guys, Forex is so nice. You get to a point where you don't even have to look at the market that deep. Like, it's not that deep, man. It's just, you just gotta know what your skill. It's really not that deep, to be honest. I already know it's gonna sell. You feel me? I already know it's gonna sell. That's why I said what we've been looking for on Euro USD, it might only be happening today or tomorrow. You see, even this one is a weird setup. This looks like an impulse. This looks like a correction. But at the same time, you just gotta have an open mind. That's it. USD JPY. USD JPY. Let's see. Up, down, up. Okay. Did we wipe out here? No. This still is the lowest low. This is still is the lowest low. This still is the lowest low. But USD JPY can't sell though. Because if it does sell, probably is because JPY is strong, but USD is weak though. That's what we need to look at though. That's what you need to look at, chat. This is beautiful. Beautiful. What is this thing? No, man. Oh, yeah. Look at this. I'm loving what I'm seeing here, here, and here. And for the fact that this failed to break, this now failed to break. This is like a head and shoulders. And then this as well. Yo, all we're waiting for in gold now is this break right here. And then trust me, guys, if it takes off, it's literally gonna take off. I'm gonna make 200,000 again. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that. But you made that and you traded back down.
Overtrading kills me now. But I'm coming back. You think hey man, I'm in the office. Who's calling me? Hey man, I go see you so I keep busy. Sorry about that, guys. I'll be back very soon. I'll be back just now. Not so long ago.
This one is over leveraging, yeah, like wow.
Huh?
Over leveraging like mad.
I don't care what lever. As long as I have margin, bro, I'm trading that. Look at the dollar index. The dollar. I'm here to make money, not friends. Business. The dollar index, I already looked at it. You see, it looks like it's buying. That's why I'm doubting. The dollar index, as I said, guys, I'm expecting it to kind of like a little bit go up, right? But for me, it makes sense if it goes up until here. But the lower highs and lower lows that it's creating right here, they're creating a very weird range that makes me think even if we get here, we might get those sells. So we just need to check around the CPI and the inflation rate news. Where do we end up around these areas? You see from here up there. Up there. So yeah, chat. Yes, chat. Do you wait for confirmation when price hit your Fibo level, My FIBA level is used as a tool to measure my fair value gaps, and I know in most of the cases, fair value gaps are respected around the 71th and 79th level. So that's why I just keep it at that. To be honest. That's why I just keep it at that. Around those levels, I know that's where the market kind of like respects the value gaps, and that's where I kind of start looking at my big entries, scaling in, stuff like that. Who's on the gold trade also? Who's on the gold trade also? Good morning. Looking into becoming a funded trader. I just wanted to ask one question, bro. Like, once funded, is it the profit targets you have to reach before withdrawing? No. Nope. You can literally make any money and withdraw it. Literally. Make any money and withdraw it. There's no targets on funded. There's no... Yeah. Bro, we can hear your thing. Yeah.
My bad.
I'm on my way, yeah.
No, calm down.
This guy. Can you analyze US 30? Unfortunately, chat, I cannot do that. I don't trade US 30, so I don't want to give you guys lies. I prefer saving myself. I don't trade US 30, so sorry, chat. I'm on gold, but with a buy position holding since yesterday. Good luck. I'm waiting for a break of the trend line support and level on gold. Okay, fair enough. Everybody has their own entry urge, guys. If your entry urge wants you to break structures and break whatever, wait for that. Just because I'm on already doesn't mean that you have to be also. Doesn't mean that you have to be also. Here, but on buys. Hey guys, make me understand. How do you where do you see gold buys?
There's nothing buying in that. That's
Yeah, because I'm looking at how did they get to saying gold is gonna buy? Because this range, it's a reversal structure. Number one, number two, we had this high broken by this high and this high broken by that high, but this high failed to break this high. So this makes this high the stronger level. And the more it does that, it just continuously create lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So nothing there says buy. How did you guys end up buying? Am I on a buy or a sell? I'm on a sell, man. I'm on a sell right now. Just deposited 10K and I'm running 5,000. I'm running 6,000 basically right now. Yeah. Like, I want to understand, how did you guys get to buying? Nothing to me says buy here. I'm waiting for a break of support. Is this break right here? Some of us, when it breaks right here, we scale in. Full mag game. Again, and they're going to say I'm over leveraging. Well, when I'm going to bankrupt that thing. I want to turn 10,000 into 1 million rand. You guys are going to feel me.
You're not feeling nothing. Spike you. Bah.
What? No. and you know that if My head was like, close that, and then we now have a 200 leverage. From there, we enter two lot, and then 500,000, 700k now. We enter again on 700k. 5 lot. I swear, bro. Hey, you guys, you know this year, they will know me. They will know me. Almost doubling the 10k account now that we deposited. We're running 8,000 now. 8k, 2,000 to doubling the account. We are 2,000 to doubling the account, and then on a funded account, we're running 11,000 rand. Do you like the new MT5? Bro, the update on the MT5 is so weird. I hate it so much. Did you see it? No, man. It's not nice. Like having to say add stops. And then when you add them, that thing just moves and whatever. Can they just go back to what? Bro, can we complain on meta codes? No, we want it back. We want the old MetaTrader back. This one is is BS. I don't want to lie. The update on MetaTrader right now, nah, that was a sus move. That was a really sus move. That update is not cool at all. I don't know what made them think that's cool. But this year, they will know me. 2026. If on space markets I don't withdraw at least 15 million personal trading, hey, my brother. Because I've seen something. There was a point where the balance was 100,000. And I closed. But I was like, should I withdraw? Nah, I don't feel like withdrawing. Let me leave it. And when I was trading, I'm like, hey, okay. Actually having 100,000 account is nice. Yeah. So I'm going to deposit 100K. Have it 100K. Guess what? They will know me. They will know me. Yo, bro, the 100K leverage is nice, bro. Yo! Now I understood why Alex G always funds like your $300,000, your all of that type of stuff. Like, I understand the leverage on the bigger accounts is nice. Because now it's 100,000 but personal funding, not 100,000 funded account. I can open 50 lots and no one will tell me. This year, they will know me. That's what Nas Ape said. This year, they will know me. Catch my buy trade on gold yesterday. Okay, that's better. I also hate that thing. Now let's go complain. I entered sales now. Everyday inspiration. Okwatile Banks. Why? How many people are streaming? Yo, the streaming actually makes people subscribe, eh? 90 people watching. Ooh. There. See there? The 89 people are watching. 90 now. Start. Bro, down there. Left. Yeah, there. So yeah, Lanswara chat. Bro, you know, yesterday after I realized that Forex you can actually make so much money as you want, I started like feeling like I want to go back to playing football. And I bought football boots. Let's go, chat. Can you analyze USD JPY? I already did. Some of y'all, lerato fitla late lona guys. Okay, yo. Euro USD sales are valid and they are skyrocketing down. They're about to shoot down crazy, actually. Yeah, they're about to drop till here. GBP USD, still undecided. USD JPY might be buying, but it's weird. It's a weird structure right here because this is an undescending type of structure. GJ, also. Probably we're waiting for it to complete that, then we good. And then the dollar index is buying. So yeah, man, it's a matter of patience right now, guys. But we are patient on the trade we are holding. This is what we are holding now. This is a trade we are holding now. I'm now up 9K. 1,000 left for me to double the account. After we reach 10K, we close. We wait for the next position. We have now a bigger margin. We enter again. We have a bigger margin.
I trade like that, dog. Teach them how to trade like that.
Me.
Risk management, 1% per one trade.
So if I deposited 10,000, this means per trade I must risk 1,000. How do I then double the account with 1,000? Because that means if I'm risking 1%, I'm risking 1,000 to make 2,000. You are crazy, dog.
That's called risk management.
Yeah, risk management works on funded accounts. On personal, I can do what the fuck I want.
No, facts.
Yeah, that's why I'm trading the personal account, because Comit limits me so much. On funded account, we're running 15,000 right now. On funded account, we're running 15,000 rand. Yeah. Almost doubling the account. One thing about me, chat, I'll trade with you live. It keeps reversing. Why does it do that? Gold, can you just drop and stop playing? Gold wants to pull back, chat. And it better not stress me out. Sometimes price might range and move during the news. Maybe. You're right. It might do that. I want to join this thing, yeah, prop firms. On my YouTube channel, I explain it very thorough. Very, very thorough. I don't think I left out anything. But you know why I leverage? In my head, ne, once I fund an account, I just feel like it's none of my business anymore. Yeah, like I just fund it and then, yeah, it's money that it's fine. You know. When it retests, that's good. Like it's I don't once I fund, is like it's no longer my money. So even if I lose it, it's fine. That is why I swing. Yeah, that's why I swing trades. Even on personal account. Bro, is the GOAT ND30 promo still going to be in Jan? Yeah, that's forever. The one that was limited was GOAT ND50. The one that was limited was GOAT ND50. How much is your leverage? It's 1:500. 1:5 flan. Huh? Oh, but on synthetic.
I was 10 of those accounts, 1 to 2,000.
It's because I have my account is the what is that? This zero what? It's zero something. Zero commission, no, zero what?
Let's use the standard. Use the standard chart. And you can go 1 to 2,000.
Let me actually check what's this and what is this account. It's a sniper czar.
That one should be 1 to 1,000.
No, bro, look. 1:5. Even if you try to edit it. What? So this means I could make 2 million from
Listen to you. This straight away you change your mindset to making 2 million when I show you the nice thing.
what is the difference between 1:500 and 1:1000? Sometimes this leverage thing confuses the living hell out of me.
The more the leverage, the less the margin is. So the lower the capital is to borrow.
So if I have 1:500, that means I borrowed money that's good.
That's high price.
1,000 is low.
1,000 is lower. Yeah, so margin on gold here on 0.01 on 1 to 500 would be like 100 something rand, where on 1 to 1,000 will be like 80, 70 rand, where on 1 to 2,000 will be like 30 rand.
And that's dumb as hell, bro.
It's not, you can over leverage how you like.
But over leveraging doesn't mean you cannot blow your account. You'll still blow. You feel me? Lantwara chat. Who's still holding gold chat? I like your style of trading. Do you mind if I come to your office next year, January, and trade with you for a week? Trading with me for a day, that's 2,000. Trading with me for the week, that's 10,000. Ha.
And I get it for free because I'm right here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out.
To play with it, to play with it, to play with it, to play with it, to play with it. To play with it, to play with it, to play with it, to play it. Yeah, chat. It's a matter of fact of patience. 1:500 means you can open positions that are 500 max deposit. Example, if you deposit 1,000, you can open positions 1,000 x 500, which is 500,000. Like guys, Yazimina. I will never understand leverage, and it's okay. It is really fine. I don't need to understand it as long as I put trades until the market says gwang gwang. Yeah, I know that's when I need to stop. But I don't really need to know that whole thing. It doesn't make sense for me. Like I don't understand it. Gold is been playing around recently. I know, man. I know, but I'm just capitalizing from these small pieces of move that happen. Gold is actually dumb to trade, but you just gotta catch it on the right side. Catch it on the wrong side, you are dead. Irino Dita Semana. Ba ba bum. Ooh, eh. Ooh, ba ba bum. Ooh. Irino Dita Semana. Ooh, eh. Irino Dita Semana. Do you think we should close? If you are satisfied, you can. Personally, I'm not closing. I'm probably gonna wait for it to. All I'll be doing is just to modify stop loss until CPI. I'll just be modifying the stop loss. I'm not gonna be closing the trade. I'll just be modifying stop loss because now I know it's probably gonna wanna come, and it will turn somewhere right about here or here. I'm late. Did you open any trades? Yes, we took sales on gold. Bitcoin. I haven't traded Bitcoin in a while, so I don't know. I haven't traded Bitcoin in a while. Zita semana baba lulu ile irine zita semana. Let's get to 1 million, boys. Andy. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I just love waiting. I love waiting. I feel like, guys, right now it's a matter effect of patience. Am I freezing? No, I'm not freezing. I'm just pausing. Price is not moving at all. We entered sales on gold. That's what we did. We entered the sales on gold. Let me check. So for the people that also want to be in the gold trade, if you are not afraid of risk, you can enter it right now. But if you want to be on a safe entry, maybe you can wait for it. If it pulls back here first and then starts going down again, that's when you can enter. So you can work for the pullback on this zone, somewhere right about here. You can wait for the pullback there. For in case it spikes up, then goes down. That's for safe traders. So yeah, guys, I think that's what's happening with me. Much love, peace, and happiness. This is your boy, the GOAT, and these are. I love you guys. I love you. I'll check you guys probably later. And Yeah. Shaquel. Yeah. These guys don't see me. How don't they see me? Huh? What do you mean? Look. Should we make it an hour straight?
I mean, it's up to you. Like, it's straight 50.
Yeah, bro, it's done. Like I gave them the trade to take, and we waiting on that. So, yeah, chat. You know what's going on. Champagne.